Hey guys, I am going to recreate those suede slash velvet ornaments that are sold out at Hobby Lobby that everybody's been looking for. Look how cool these turned out. They kind of look like marble. I used one spray can color, which is this down to earth color. I got it from Walmart. And then I also used a couple spritz of this half water, half vinegar in each of these. So I think they are great. The same color is going to serve the same effect on my tree. So I'm pretty excited about how that turned out. I will be spraying all the tops of these with this Rust-Oleum metallic color. So that's all I'll be using on this one. We'll try a different one later, but I will go ahead and show you guys how I did that. Three squirts of this. And with this one, I've got this spot here, so I'm just going to give it another spray in there. Just keep moving it around until you cover all of the spots. And if it's not looking marbly enough, you can go ahead and add another spray in there. I think it gives it a really great marbly look. And I think it's going to look fabulous on my new tree that I've got going in my living room this year. So it's getting a little bit dark out here. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get this done, but I got this little thing from Walmart. It's got these little suede, faux suede cords. I think it was $3.30 or something for this pack. And I'm just gonna tie this brown piece onto my ornament. And then just tie it in a little knot up at the top. And there we go.
Well, I'm all for Christmas. All the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm.
I think the ornaments turned out gorgeous. Thanks so much for joining along with me today, you guys. Stay tuned for more Christmas videos.
These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.